If you want to build a professional portfolio or resume website without coding, this Bluehost tutorial is going to make it really simple. In just a few minutes, you can create a clean personal site, add your own information, showcase your work, and publish it online without touching code. So if you're ready to build a site that helps you stand out, stay tuned. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy website guides. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is go to Bluehost and log in to your account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Websites. This is where Bluehost lets you manage and create new sites. Next, click Add Website. After you do that, a new tab will open, and this is where the website creation process starts. Now you'll see the option to build with AI, so go ahead and click that. This is the easiest way to get a portfolio or resume site started fast, especially if you don't want to build everything manually. Now Bluehost will ask for a few details about your website. You'll need to enter your website title and a short description. This is the part where you tell Bluehost what kind of site you want to create. Since we're making a portfolio or resume site, keep the description focused on your personal brand, your skills, your background, and the kind of work you want to highlight. For website type, make sure you choose personal. That helps Bluehost generate a layout that fits a resume, portfolio, or personal brand website much better than a business or store site. After that, continue the process and let Bluehost generate the website for you. At this stage, the system may take a little while to build the site, and that timing can depend on your internet connection, so be patient. Once the process moves forward, Bluehost will prompt you to pick a design. This is where you can choose the style that feels right for your brand. Pick the one you like best, whether you want something clean and minimal, modern and bold, or simple and professional. After you select your design, let Bluehost create the site. Once the site is generated, you can click Edit in Bluehost for that specific website. This takes you into the editor where you can start customizing everything. Now go through the pages one by one and replace the sample content with your own information. This is the part that makes the site truly yours. Add your photos so visitors can see who you are. Then include your resume details, your skills, your work experience, and any portfolio projects you want to showcase. If you have links to projects, case studies, or samples of your work, this is the perfect place to add them. Make sure the information is clear, easy to read, and focused on what potential employers, clients, or collaborators would want to know. A strong portfolio or resume site should quickly tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should contact you. Once everything looks good, click Save or Publish to make your website live. And that's it. You've now built a portfolio or resume website on Bluehost without coding. You've created a professional online presence that you can share on job applications, LinkedIn, your email signature, or anywhere else you want to stand out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to customize the design even further, add a contact form, or connect a custom domain in Bluehost.